Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel, Megan Victoria. My name is Megan. I'm a pro hair makeup artist, and I put out 2 videos a week on Tuesdays and Thursdays. So today we're in a little bit of a different setup. So basically I moved my entire makeup vanity around, so I kind of... Okay, so this area is a little crazy. It's not even that bad, really. It's just what happens when you do your makeup. But I want to organize this whole kind of setup. So in the decluttering video I did last time, I think I showed you guys how I just like move things around. Well, surprise, I move things around yet again. Every time I tell you I'm going to do a room tour or something, it's like I tell you and then I move my room out like 8 times before even the video's gone up. So that's just kind of how I roll. But I'm really excited about this like space right now, and I think there's a lot of potential. So I want to work with you guys and we're gonna clean it up. I'm gonna make this all work. Like, I have these boxes that are cute. I just want things that are like accessible but also look cute, you know what I mean? So it's like storage making cute. It's a process, it's a balance. So I'm just gonna generically clean all this up first, and then we're gonna go through what's actually here and try and kind of make a setup that works better and like that is accessible and easy and all that good stuff. So I'll start cleaning and we'll be back in a minute. Okay, so I did like a very just generic quick cleanup of everything, which is awesome, but also gave me a chance to kind of think about how I want to go about organizing this stuff. So I've really been liking the tray because I've been able just to like quickly access my products like ASAP, you know, grab them, throw them in a bucket. It's easy. But this is getting a little messy just with like this stuff, and it's almost like I want this to kind of look prettier. So I think I have one more set of acrylic drawers, which used to have, well, technically still does have like whiteboard stuff in it, but I don't need this stuff really. It can go somewhere else. So I think I want to use this and maybe even put my foundations on top. And like, I really like using kind of the idea of the mirror. So you can see like my perfumes over here. Can you see this? I think so. But basically they like kind of shine into the mirror and it looks really cool and pretty. So I think if I do that, and then maybe even some of the pretty palettes, like the Naked Reloaded palette's so pretty that we could incorporate it somehow. So I just want to like play with some ideas and see what happens. So I think that's what we're going to do now. I'm going to kind of like shimmy some stuff around and we'll go from there. I'll just take a knee so I can fit into frame. But okay, so it's been a lot of me just like configuring things around, moving things around. I think it's starting to look good, but I have these 2 bins that I really need to sort. I don't even know what's in them, to be honest, so we're gonna find out together. So it's basically what it started off was 1 hair bin, 1 skincare bin, and now it's just melded into bins of God knows what. So we're gonna figure that out together. We're gonna sort them and it's gonna be great. So let's grab this first bin. Oh my god, good lord. And we'll grab this guy and we'll do this. Okay, so what do we have? Let's see. Well, we have hair. Okay, so we at least have hair things. I'm like, how should I do this maybe? Just gonna put all the hair stuff on the bed. Mel is gonna be like, what the hell are you doing? Hair, like I don't think I want to show hair. I think I just want it in a bin because I don't like do my hair that often. As we can see, this ponytail's been in for like a week. Okay, my wand broke. That's also really sad. Okay, I will continue sorting so I don't bore you to death. Okay, so I'm just gonna take one of the clear bins, pop it in there, and then I'm going to grab the hair care I want to keep. So we have dry shampoo foam, so then it'll at least be standing in the bin like an organized human being. Wow, everything actually fits perfectly. That's amazing. And then we can also put the lids on things because we have those. Then my blow dryer and wrapping brush. I don't put my regular brush in here because I actually, you know, brush my hair, I can't say every day. So you'd be like, I brush my hair every day. Most of the time I do, so I actually like to keep my brush a little bit more accessible, so I'm just going to toss it in this bin, which I've yet to decide what we're going to put. But that's the hair bin. Look how organized that is. That's amazing. And then I'm going to put that away now. Alright, so continuing on, we have another bin. Oh, also I have to do my hair extensions, but I'm going to put those like in a box and put them away. It'll be fine. That's good. Okay, so for the skincare bin, I like the idea of having like the cotton rounds and Q-tips. I don't know where the Q-tips are. I know they exist, so that's fine. An extra, I'm going to put the tanning stuff with my other tanning stuff. And then we have Skin Fix stuff, which like I literally always need. Hand cream, I want to keep that a little bit more accessible. So what I'm going to do is take like my quote unquote medicated skincare, so like my Aquaphor, like that kind of stuff, and put it in this bin. So in this bin right now is just deodorant, medicated skincare, and things I'm going to reach for like that may not be the cutest, but that like I need, and like those other Skin Fix products, wherever I put those. They're like ointments. Yeah, so this is like more ointments. Okay, that's a good way of doing it. So we'll put that back. Then we've got, this can go. This is empty. It was like Skin Fix body butter. It's fabulous. So this is more like body and that kind of thing. Charcoal mask and heavy cream. Maybe we'll put the small things just in here. These are out. Oh, that's setting. These are the exfoliating pads. I love these. I'm really sad about that. You know, these are good jars. Maybe I'll keep the jar. No, I say this. Recycling into the recycling. Stop keeping things. You're decluttering. And then that's really all that's in there. And then I may put like another like layer thing on it and maybe put other stuff. But I don't know yet. Let's just put that back. That works. That's cute. Alright guys, let's take a tour. I'm really excited to be doing this. So, where should we start? I guess, of course, Mella's gonna get her toy. Okay, well, let's do just kind of the top area of the vanity. So first I put this pillow. This is just a pillow from HomeSense. Oh, it's a little ripped. It's got a little bit of like sequin texture kind of going through it, like a thread, which is really pretty, which matches a lot of the bed over there as well. And then I've put just a large mirror that lights up. This really pretty kind of birchy candle that I really love. And then I put just a couple of my perfumes with this little thing that says Dream from HomeSense, and I love the way it kind of reflects in the mirror and just like makes the space look larger and like really pretty. And then that coaster is also from HomeSense that my mom got me, and it's just like a really pretty marble coaster. So then we'll switch over here to this side. So on here, I just wanted to use one of my acrylic organizers. I want just to put some of like my go-to everyday products. So that's what we have in here, like powders, bronzers, blushes, that kind of thing. Here is concealers and face stuff, eyes, and then brows. A whole thing for brows and lash glue and all that. And then I put my face products up on top, and just things that are a little bit prettier. So to me, anything basically rose gold and gold is what I wanted to kind of feature up here. So I also love Charlotte Tilbury, as we all know, so definitely want to give some Charlotte Tilbury spotlight. So this is just the top area of the vanity, and then I just keep it nice and clean. And then this is just a basic chair from like Canadian Tire, so nothing too fancy there. Okay, so now we can swing over to this little section. So this box is actually like from a PR box. It was just a circle box, and this is the lid, but it had this like kind of trim to it, so I thought that was really pretty. So in the front, I keep all my like Lancome and like Estee Lauder like gold pretty things. So again, it's like what you see first, and then like things that maybe aren't the cutest, like deodorant, is back here, and things that are maybe, you know, have like a different color. So, well, actually that one's fine. That's blue. So I kind of try and like hide the color and like just kind of make it look like it's like golds and pinks. But yeah, so this is all my kind of skincare stuff. Not stuff I necessarily use on an everyday basis, but I do use, what am I using right now? I think I'm using the Lancome moisturizer. That's what I'm using currently. The Pixie toner I have somewhere else, so I use that. I definitely use this body oil quite a fair bit, and then my hair care I definitely use a ton, and then I also have my pure setting spray up here. So I definitely use a lot of products up here. Lancome mask I used last night, it's one of my favorites, but they're definitely not like my necessarily everyday go-tos. They're more just so they look really pretty. And then I also have my Laline body butter, which I also really love. So then going down here, this first little kind of cubby section. So these cubby sections are literally a closet that one of my old roommates had. Like, you can see the freaking thing is still on it. Like, you know, we'll get there one day, maybe, probably not. But I've just kept my like most used palettes here. This one, like this Jaclyn Hill one, that actually isn't my most used, but I thought it was like pretty, so I was gonna keep it there. I wanted to find a way to kind of like spotlight the Urban Decay, but I haven't figured that out yet. But that's definitely like my most used palette. The Gold Rush blush is like my favorite blush, so that's why I keep the Benefit one there, because it also has the Hoola bronzer in it. The NARS palette's really pretty. I want to use it a little bit more, so I just decided we'd keep those there. Then you've got my Bare Minerals, or is it, yeah, Bare Minerals Twilight Radiance, which is sold out, so I'm so sorry about that, because I know I recommend it all the time, but I love it, so I can't help it. On here, I think I'm going to switch these guys out just for something else, so I'm not sure exactly what that's going to be yet, but this is where brushes are going to go. All my brushes are being washed because it's one of those days. Hell yeah, love those days. And then in the back, I just have some more lip products because, you know, lip products are like, you need a million, so that is that. This is the bag I usually fill up for like my makeup touch-up. So I put my powder, my lip in there, and I throw this bag into my purse, whatever purse I'm using that day. So I find it handy just to kind of keep it there. And then this little guy is just, well, I always find change. I'm definitely known for like finding change like literally wherever I go. So that's fun. But also my lash curler and my sponge, just want to keep those there. And then I have just my jewelry because, you know, you take off your jewelry after your shower or whatever, so that is there. So that's this little cubby, and this tray is also from the dollar store, so just need to fill that up with brushes. And then moving down here, oh my god, I gotta get really comfy on the floor here. I haven't really played around too much with this area, so I definitely want to do it more, but I just thought these gift boxes were great ideas just for storing things that you don't necessarily need all the time. So I'm not sure exactly what I want to use with these for yet, but I thought they were a good thing to have. Also, they keep, you know, the pinky gold vibes happening. So in this basket though, I can show you, I just kind of keep the skincare and stuff that I use like pretty regularly, but you know, like these are very colorful things, and I'm not gonna have colorful things on here. I used these Pixie iPads last night. They were awesome, so big fan of those. I love the Pixie toner. My Bioderma for my makeup remover, hella important. And then my hairbrush, which I need to clean out. And then more like kind of ointments, like the Skin Fix Eczema Balm, like things that are more like medical, I keep in here. And then these I just got in PR, so I wanted to play with those, so I thought I would keep that there. So just, you know, non-cute things can go in that little basket. And then again, this is just a little Benefit thing, which is cute. So that's that section. Now we have hair care. So I just organized this last night. Aren't you proud of me? I'm super proud of me. So my hair products section isn't huge. When I use Hot Tools, they're in the other room, so I don't really have those, but I just have my blow dryer, a bunch of hairsprays, some like leave-in conditioner, creams, and things like that. But like I said, my go-to is the Schwarzkopf, that one, that spray and conditioner, so I use that every time I get out of the shower anyway, so this section doesn't need to get giant. And then I have my round brush for my blowouts, because I am about my blowouts. So let us now switch on over. Okay, so this is this little basic acrylic organizer that you've seen literally every person and their mother own. Considering I gave half of mine to my mom, I stand true by that statement. Can we just look at Bella for a second? You freaking little angel. Oh my god. Okay, so number one, this is also doubles up as my nightstand. So I just have my lamp and my candle. I love this candle. It's a Yankee candle, and it's, what flavor is it? Coconut and mandarin. It's so yummy. Another one of the coasters for my coffee, and then this little drawer. So this is very much miscellaneous lip products, and then eyes, and then this one's like face, but also lips that didn't fit, that kind of thing. Bronzery blushes, foundation. So basically I just use this kind of section as there's like the favorite go-tos every day, then there's like a little bit less favorites, but still cute. And then there's even like the next level. So things like maybe like a olivey eyeliner that I love, but you know, I don't use an olive eyeliner every day. So that's kind of how I've done this. And then like this one's like for lashes, and like need to fill that up. And then there's a couple of glitters just because. So things that I want to access on like a fairly regular basis, but like not every day, and like that kind of thing. And then over here I keep my mirror that y'all see in every video because it's a cute little marble mirror, and my cat ears because real YouTubers have cat ears, right? Am I right? Of course. So then moving down, this is my bedtime section, so it's not really exciting, but I can show you because I did organize it and I'm proud of myself. So it's just a little box that's super basic, like so. And then I just have my glasses, I have my Aquaphor for my lips, hand cream, and then my melatonin, Advil, CBD oil, birth control, blah blah blah. Back there I have like little gratitude cards because they make me happy, and then my library book and my iPad, and that's that. Then down here is honestly just miscellaneous skincare, so it's more skincare and body care, and it's organized, but it's like not hella organized. So that's that, and that is my whole little getting ready moment.